going on, guys? We're going to do a little what sold today video. Today is May 1st, so this stuff will be going out today. And we'll start with these Tupperware cups. I paid $2, so $1 a piece, and they sold for $16. It is 206, so it is a very, very old number. I don't really sell Tupperware anymore. It used to be pretty good. I still sell some stuff, very selective. But it just doesn't do as well as it used to. I don't know why. I guess maybe new stuff on the market, or there's new Tupperware coming out. I know at Costco, stuff like that. But so we got a little potpourri pot here. It's a cool little design on there. And we sold this thing for $38. Only paid $2 for it, so that's pretty good. Number on it is 2554. So probably, I don't know, 6 months old or so maybe. So here we got some Corelle dishes. They're square, pretty cool. You don't see the square too often. Nice little red ring on them. We paid $4, which is pretty normal. We usually pay $1 a piece, and they sold for $23. So not too bad. 2633 is the number. So they're probably like a month or so old, 2 months old. We have an old guy here. This is a Cuisinart. It's for stick blender. It's a stick blender cup. Sometimes we pick them up for a quarter. Sometimes they come with a stick blender. It all depends. But we paid $2 for it, so it must have came with a stick blender, and we just kind of divide up the numbers. We sold it for $18. Quick, easy ship. $7.86 is an old number. That is probably, I don't know, 8 months to a year old maybe. Here we have some scallop dishes. They are Pyrex, number 2361. So they are probably 6 months old, something like that, less than 6 months. And we paid $2.50 for them. We sold them for $42. I think something got a little messed up in there. They were listed for $30 with $12 shipping, but everything we do is free shipping. So somehow it got messed up. Customer paid it, so we're gonna ship it out. We did pretty good on that one. We have a nice 3-quart Revere copper bottom pan here, or I guess pot, and it's got a lid with it. We paid $5 and we sold it for $36. Number is 2816, so not super old, probably within a month or two. Here we have 2 Corning dishes. They're casserole dishes. Sunday something or other is the pattern. It's a 2-quart and a 1.5 quart. Both have lids on them. Both went to the same person, which is super cool. We'll save a little bit on shipping. And we paid $5 for the set of them and sold them for $77. So pretty happy about that. We actually just got these last weekend. The numbers are 3153 and 3154. So had them bought and sold in a week, 5 to 77. I'll take that. And the last thing we have for today is this Kirby vacuum bag. I don't know if you can see them back there, but I started taking them apart. They're pretty much all apart. I just got to get the wheels off of them. We're at a yard sale. There was 2 of them for free. There was a box of stuff to go with it. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to take them. What's the worst that happens? I throw them in the scrap pile and get a little money for scrap. But I've actually sold a bit off of them so far, so I'm super glad I picked them up. I can get it to crunch down a little bit into a box. The number is 2884. So that's probably 3-4 weeks old. Again, I got it for free, and we sold it for $34. So I'm pretty happy about that. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Check out my links in the description, and we'll see you on the next one. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.